Hey everyone, getting a connection timed out error in FileZilla. In this video, I'll show you how to fix FileZilla connection timeout problems step by step. Yeah, whether you're unable to connect to your FTP server or the connection keeps failing after waiting, these solutions can help you get connected again. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent FileZilla from reaching the server properly. Try restarting your router or switching to a more stable connection before testing again. Next, verify your FTP server details. Open FileZilla and check your host address, username, password, and port number. Incorrect server information can cause connection attempts to fail or time out. If your server details are correct, check whether the FTP server is currently online. Sometimes the hosting server may be temporarily unavailable or experiencing maintenance. Another helpful step is changing FileZilla's timeout settings. Open FileZilla settings, find the timeout option, and increase the waiting time before the connection is considered failed. This can help when connecting to slower servers. Next, check your firewall, antivirus, or security software. These programs can sometimes block FileZilla connections. Allow FileZilla through your firewall and try connecting again. If you're using FTP, enable passive mode in FileZilla settings. Passive mode can solve connection problems caused by routers, firewalls, or restricted networks. You can also try connecting with the correct port and protocol. For example, your server may require sftp or FTPS instead of standard FTP, so using the correct connection type is important. If the timeout issue continues, update FileZilla to the latest version and restart your computer. Outdated software can sometimes create compatibility problems. And that's how you fix FileZilla connection timed out errors. By checking your network, server settings, and FileZilla configuration, you can solve most timeout problems and connect successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.